Let's have a preview. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Hey, how are you doing? Today in this video we will be discussing about jobs. Yes, I know it's not generally what I discuss about, but today I think it's necessary. Sharing my experiences might benefit you guys as well. So, the one question that every working person deals with is what is the right time to switch a job? Followed by few more questions like is it too early to switch? Will it affect my impression in the next job? Will I get another one quickly? How much can I demand for in my next company? And the list goes on and on and on. Especially when we all are dealing with this pandemic where losing a job or switching a job seems like a nightmare. If you are also struggling with all such questions, then this is the video for you. I'm sure it can change your perspective and help you guys with your queries. So, let's start with how to decide when to switch. Well, here are few points one should consider and agree with before switching. First, you are not enjoying your work. Second, you think you are paid less than your effort. Third, you are not very well respected at your workplace. Fourth, company does not offer you any job security. 5. Work pressure is affecting your mental health. In short, there's no right time to do anything. If you keep waiting for the right time, you will always wait. If you feel like doing it, that is the sign, man. Just go for it. What time period should be spent in a company before switching? Well, we have heard it a lot that if you leave a company before completing a year, it's difficult to find another job. Well, it's not true. Frankly speaking, there is no fixed time period to cover. From my personal experience, I have switched my job twice without completing a year in any of them, and I have not felt or found any difficulty while searching for the next one. Yes, of course, you will be asked why you left so early type of questions, but you just have to deal with them. If you have a valid reason, good enough. Else, prepare for a valid reason and you are good to go. Will switching again and again affect my impression in the next job? Well, it matters how you are handling it and why are you doing it. It is definitely not okay to switch every 2-3 months. That is going to affect your impression for sure. Switch it only if it's necessary and you agree with any of the points we discussed before. Just make sure to be prepared to cover up every such question with answers that can validate why you did it and it doesn't look that bad to the interviewer. How much time will you need to get another job? Well, it all depends on your efforts and luck. You have to keep trying, apply for jobs daily, don't miss a call. In the beginning, some interviews will not go very well, but you will learn their pattern of asking questions and you will be prepared next time. Just remember to apply your knowledge and learning from previous interview to crack the next one and you will soon find another job. How to change your domain while switching a job? If you are not happy with your domain and you want to change it, suppose like you are in testing and you wish to move into development, now it's not quite difficult. All you need to do is get yourself prepared for it. Learn a programming language, learn to code, create a project of yours, prepare a resume where you can showcase your skills and your work history as a developer. Now, if you just want to switch, there is no need to frame a development background or work history. But if you're looking for a raise as well, that is the only way. Make yourself look like a developer, prepare well for the interview, and carry the most important thing, that is confidence. How much can you demand for in the next company? Know your strength and capabilities and demand accordingly. Only you know what you are worth of and how much you deserve. Always remember to claim for high, as they will offer you a little less than what you demand. But do it logically, not like your current package is 3 and you are asking them for 13. That's not gonna work. Unless you are really talented and have a great skill set and great experience. And the most important thing, that is to make sure that you sound pretty confident about what you are asking for. Is it okay to switch in this pandemic? Well, I would say if you have one, stick to it as long as possible. But if it becomes unbearable, go for it. During this time, if you decide to switch, you have to be really patient while searching for a job, as it is going to take a little longer to find one during this time. But it doesn't mean you should suffer in the wrong place. Again, telling you from my personal experience, it is okay to switch during this time as well. It is okay to take a break, to spend time with your family, prepare yourself well, and again, start your hunt. How to deal with family and friends. We all are aware of the peer pressure we have from our closed ones. They will ask you plenty of questions and might also say something intentionally or unintentionally that might hurt you. And that's quite natural with the mentality we all have grown up in. That's work is equal to worth. If you don't have any work, people think you're worthless. Well, that's not true, it's just a perspective. But make sure you don't let that come in your way. It's your life, your job, your health, and your peace. Sometimes you just need to think about yourselves and what is good for you. Everything else just falls in place. In the end, all that matters is not losing hope. Do not give up no matter what happens. This is just a phase, this too shall pass. Just tell yourself everything is okay and start again. And never be afraid of change. Switching job helps you have new experiences and you get to learn new things. Change is always good for any individual's growth. As said, change is the only constant in our life. And with this, I would like to end this video. I have covered only the basic queries that we have generally while switching a job. If you have any more doubts and you want my opinion on that, do write me down in the comment section. I will get back to you. To stay updated with the next videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.